Hello my fellow crocheters, this is Yana with Yana's Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Please help this channel grow faster than my yarn stash. Hit that like and subscribe and keep the yarn ball rolling by sharing and commenting too. If you're feeling extra generous today, please hit the join button to become a member. Your support helps me keep creating new videos and inspiration for you. So now let's grab our hooks and get started. And today on the agenda, this very simple stitch, super easy to do, very quick. If you want one of those mindless projects, just this is the one for you. Just pretty much 2 rows repeat and not much thinking involved. And you can use any yarn for this pattern and use the recommended hook size for the yarn you're using. So we're going to start with a slip knot and then an even number of chains. And your first row is going to be just a row of single crochets. So start in the first chain from the hook and all the way to the end of the row. And in this pattern we are going to alternate the rows of single crochets with the row of the pattern. So every other row is going to be your just simple row of single crochets. So this is your row 1. For your row 2, chain 1, and we're going to start the pattern row and put a single crochet into the very same stitch and a single crochet into the next stitch. And this is going to be the row of your pattern and puff stitches. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn through. Now yarn over again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull the yarn through, and do that one more time. And this is going to be a variation of a puff stitch, not your regular puff stitch. So you should have 6 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull it through all the loops. And instead of closing it with a chain, we are going to close the puff stitch with a single crochet into the next stitch in our row. And this is what you should have. And again, into the next stitch you do this variation of a puff stitch. So when you first insert the hook into the stitch, you don't yarn over, you just yarn over the next 2 times until you have 6 loops on the hook, and you don't chain 1 at the end, you just put a single crochet into the next stitch. And you keep going, puff stitch, single crochet, puff stitch, single crochet, all the way until the end of the row. And in the end you should have 2 stitches left where you would put your 2 last single crochets, and this is going to be your first row of puff stitches that starts with 2 single crochets and ends with 2 single crochets. And your row 3 is going to be just a simple row of single crochets. So you're going to chain 1, turn, and you're going to put a single crochet into every stitch all the way to the end. This is your 4th row or 2nd row of puff stitches, and you're going to chain 1, turn, and this row you're going to start with 3 single crochets, and this is how you're going to alternate them. You're going to have a puff stitch row that starts and ends with 2 single crochets, and your next puff stitch row is going to be the row that starts and ends with 3 single crochets. So you did your 3 single crochets, and now you're going to put your puff stitch right there, right on top of the puff stitch from the row before. So they're kind of connected. You see right there, they're basically start and end in the same stitch. And then a single crochet, so everything else is going to be exactly the same, like from your first row of puff stitches. So you put them right on top of each other. So they're connected, they're coming from the same stitch. And you do that all the way to the end of the row until you have 3 stitches left. So into that one, and you're going to finish up the row with just 3 single crochets, because remember, that's how you started this row. So you see how they're just kind of on top of each other? And your next row is going to be again just a row of single crochets. And once you are done with that, we are going to go back to the row of puff stitches, but the first one, which is going to start with only 2 single crochets in the beginning, and then the puff stitches. So the first puff stitch, we don't have one to connect it to, so you're just going to go right there. And you put the puff stitch the same way, they don't change. Then single crochet into the next stitch, and then your next puff stitch is going to go on top of that one. So again, we're kind of connecting them in a sense. And a single crochet, and all the way down to the end of the row. So there, and all the rest of them are going to go in those spots. And at the end you should have 2 single crochets. And remember, that's going to be your pattern. Alternating single crochet row with a row of puff stitches that start with 2 single and ends with 2 singles, and then row of single crochet and row of puff stitches that start with 3 single crochets and end with 3 single crochets. And you just keep doing that until you have the desired length of your project. And this should be very simple and super easy, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this new stitch. Have a good day, and thank you.